salam sejahtera Encik Khairul dari VIGO.
Yep, ada video.
So, memang banyak terima kasih, Mr. Khairul sebab datang support apa hari ini? Pedders suspension. Pedders suspension. So, pada permulaan ni, macam mana abang boleh tahu fangshengggurun di sini?
Oh, kita dah study yang Pedders, they have a good technology and they come from Australia, and the product is very quality, and I dapat the good offers with the fangsheng, dan diorang ada advertise dekat everywhere, dekat dalam Facebook, dalam Pedders Malaysia. So I like it. So in terms of approach them, it's very good. Then price is good. Okay, in terms of handling selepas dengan sebelum quite different, especially on the cornering side. Even though I reach to 110 to 120 on the 90-degree side, I still can handle the cars without any slippery or unstable. Actually, memang recommend daripada I, sebab I suka cornering dan I suka off-road juga. Hopefully this untuk off-road dia tak ada masalah dengan saya, tapi on road I prefer sebab dia tak membuang dan dia stable masa cornering. If you on right side line, kalau you straight then you cornering, dia tak akan membuang ke sebelah left side. That's two yang I realise. The rest untuk bumpy, I tak rasa bumpy. I rasa confirming on the suspension. Dia tak ada rasa bumpy, even though you, sebab my car sometimes I bawa family, so even ada baby, so baby on board, bila you bawa, definitely kalau you pakai original one, you akan rasa tak comfort. So I rasa tadi hopefully my baby is happy lah that condition. I suggest is kalau daripada original, better you tukar pada suspension Pedders yang I dah tukar.
So memang puas hati dengan Pedders?
Yes,
memang puas hati.
we choose Pedders. Ya, kalau kawan-kawan nak datang ke fangsheng, pilih Pedders untuk pasang 4-4, jangan tunggu lagi, kita pakai Pedders.
Memang terbagus. So dengan peluang hari ini ada satu peluang yang bagus. Kita orang welcome Pedders principal from Australia, Mr. Andrew, untuk make a short interview with Mr. Khairul.
Hi,
welcome.
Hi, Andrew.
Very good. So you're happy with the new drive of the car?
Yes, definitely.
And
absolutely, I agree.
And when you drove the car, did you feel the difference automatically? Was it straight away?
A lot of different. When I drive, it's different.
Have you driven many other brands of suspension?
Previously, I have used the rear side. I have used the different brand. Yeah, but the feel is quite different.
And did you have much life out of the other brand? Did it last very long for you? Not so long?
Not so long.
So I think you'll find you get a lot longer life from this as well. So I'm glad you enjoy the new ride comfort.
Yes, thank you.
And the better stability. And I think when you go off-road, you'll be just as happy as you were when you drive on the road. Again, thank you very much for choosing Pedders.
Yes.
Very thank you, Mr. Andrew, from Australia, and Mr. Khairul. So, dengan customer fangsheng, untuk sesiapa yang ada minat dengan produk-produk atau barang lebih teliti, mengenai Pedders, boleh datang ke fangsheng di Cawangan di Gurun. So memang Pedders dan fangsheng best.
Yes.
Now Mr. Ong from fangsheng would like to present a souvenir to Pedders Australia, Mr. Andrew. Please, Mr. Andrew, please come forward, please. Thank you.